I think it's kind of rare, but I'm also really happy that the school decided to purchase all this equipment and have such big variety for the students.
What's been cool about the lab is I feel like I get a wide variety of things, and that's been a huge thing to get to learn something in thermodynamics or fluids and then go and directly apply it in the lab.
I'm a really hands-on guy, and I learn by doing things myself, like tinkering with things. That's mainly how I learn, is hands-on. And this lab, the other labs I've taken, have all really helped me to kind of visualize and understand the theoretical part of our studies a lot more.
Sitting in this lab and look around, we are actually surrounded by so many tech equipment here. I like that the footprint is not very big, so we can obviously fit a lot of different type of equipment here. I think the lab manual is pretty well written, so it's clear and students find those easy to follow, so I don't need to go in and clarify a lot of things.
Every time I do an experiment, it's like kind of a mini aha moment, I guess, like, oh, that's kind of what that thing in class means. When you're an actual engineer in the field, you need to test the products you're designing to make sure they actually work, because if you don't test it to see if it works, you risk selling a bad product. So testing like you do in a lab environment like this really helps you nail how to collect data and figure out if something works or not.
There's a lot of really fun machines in this lab, a lot of variety of them for sure. I liked the one with all the different water pipes just because it's so big and you can see so many different measurements all at once. You get to see the actual concepts that you're learning come together. If you apply more pressure to this thing, it's gonna go faster. You can understand that, but then actually physically seeing it go and how much just a little change can drastically change something is something really cool that you don't quite get to see as well on paper.
Understanding how forces interact in a material when it's under stress. I think definitely the mechanics lab, when we actually got to run something through a fatigue cycle and actually watch where the fatigue forms and why it breaks the way it does. That makes a lot of sense because you're doing the math, you're multiplying it out, and you go from symbols to numbers and you never actually see anything. But when you come in here and break stuff, then it makes sense.